I didn't know I was gonna be in Cabrini Green. They told me up north on Larrabee. So when I pulled in, I figured it was a mistake. I was gonna stop and ask for direction or something. They had GPSs back then, so I figured I had messed up. My direction, I went north, I should have went south. They ain't got no windows. Oh, yeah, I'm so glad I'm getting directions from this school. I got out the car and I looked, I said, Schiller, yeah, that. Oh, Jesus, no, don't tell me this. Oh, Lord. I stayed there 6 years and it was the best 6 years in this 28 years I've been in education. I loved every single day. And I learned on my journey that it's not where you teach, it's that you teach.